Hi everybody, here is the 2019 Carolina Skiff 198. This boat is located in Brick, New Jersey. The trailer is included. Right now I have the bimini top all pinned back. That does open up nicely. On the back of the boat, Evinrude E-Tech 90 horsepower, boarding ladder. I'll hop inside the boat. Great casting platform on the back with seats that do open up. There's the seats all opened up. Live well. Up at the helm, Garmin GPS, throttle, flip-flop helm seat if you would like to be facing forward or aft, cooler storage underneath, rod holders on each side of the helm, forward cushions that are removable, forward facing seat. This boat has a capacity of 10 people. Again, this is the 2019 Carolina Skiff 198 located in Brick, New Jersey at MarineMax. My name is Frank Thank you guys for your time.